there, bro.
I'm making a video for my nephew.
Oh, really?
He's 4.
Oh, okay. You
Let's-
like trucks, right?
Oh, he loves them. Let's keep it G-rated. So you're the guy that drives the truck, John.
Yeah.
And you pour all the cement out of the truck?
Yes, I do.
And you've
All
been
the time.
and you've been doing this 28 years? Wow.
Years I've been driving these trucks.
Wow.
Long time, yeah.
What made you want to do that?
A friend of mine got me into this.
Yeah.
Yeah. I wasn't going to be doing this for my livelihood. I thought I was going to be a baseball player.
Yeah.
Swear to God. You know what?
And then reality hit.
Well, I went the wrong route. That's all I have. I got involved in this girl. Changed my whole life. Never married her.
Yeah. I hear that.
I thought it was going to be colder than this.
What is it? It's like 17 today.
Oh, now it's about 25 now.
Oh, really? It's that hot out right now? Wow.
Like on my phone, that's what it said in Wallingford, it's like 25.
Wow.
It just feels colder, you know, in the shade.
How heavy is this truck?
Loaded about 74,000 pounds.
Wow.